one of the things that makes me really excited about this project is putting on some quick disconnects here. They have Zerk fittings here on the top for 0 to 2 inch lift. Much beefier. I'm really excited. This says that it's going to give me a lot more play off-road, and I don't have to completely get rid of my sway bar or my torsion bar. I get to keep this thing road steady. It's my daily driver, and I drive about an hour and a half every day for work. So, shoot, I need I need a comfortable daily driver, you know. So this will give me my you know, my 4 hours a month. I get to go out and do some off-roading. Just give me some more play and some more fun. Oh, what's up, guys? I got this bearing splitter here. We're gonna get these links off right here. So game plan is to put this pickle fork bearing splitter right through there. Beautiful. All right, so now right here, make sure you keep this piece out. Otherwise, yeah, keep this piece out and then just drive that down deep in there. So this piece will be actually, when you press this apart, this is a 19 millimeter nut. Oh yeah. It's in there good. So this bolt here is tapered at the end, so it seats in there. Like so. Essentially, yeah, it just sits right in there. That thing came out real quick. So do be careful, wear your safety glasses. Then, yeah, so make sure you have that put on before you start the work. So yeah, that just sits in. So I think I should grease these. Just put a little bit up in there. Smash it in the hole. Move this sucker up pretty good. I'll put it in the same orientation.